Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about the short question answer and long question answer of chapter number 8, 7th class General Science. Your first short question is, what is the difference between wave speed and wave frequency? You have to tell the difference between these two terms. First of all, write down the definition of wave speed along with its unit. Wave speed, the distance traveled by a wave in unit time is called wave speed. Its unit is meter per second. Now wave frequency, the number of waves passing through certain point in unit time is called frequency. Its unit is hertz. Your next short question is, why do flying bees buzz? Why do they produce this type of sound while they are flying? So the answer is the bees, they move their wings rapidly or fastly, which creates vibrations and detected as buzz by humans. Another question number 3. If air particles are moving, why does not this motion create a breeze? So the answer is, when a sound wave moves through air, then it causes the air particles to move. These are the disturbances that takes place as compressions in air. So the medium as a whole does not move. Therefore, the motion of air molecules does not create breeze. Question number 4 is, can sound waves of frequency between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz can be heard? Its answer is yes, why not? Sound waves between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz can be heard by humans because this range of frequency is known as audible frequency range, and sound waves less than 20 Hz and greater than 20,000 Hz, they are not heard by the humans. The last short question is, can we say that radio waves, they travel faster than sound waves? Yes, radio waves, they travel faster than sound waves because radio waves, they are electromagnetic waves, right? So radio waves, they travel with the speed of 300,000 km per second of speed, while sound waves, they travel with 331 meter per second of speed in air. Now that was all about your short question. Coming towards the long question, your first long question is, what are waves and how are they produced? Actually, there are two parts in your long questions. First, you'll have to define that what are waves and how are they produced with the help of an experiment. The answer is, a wave is any disturbance that transmits energy through matter or empty space. The medium through which the wave moves is not transmitted as a whole. Then you'll have to then you'll have to write down this activity in your notebooks along with this diagram, right? The next long question is, explain the frequency and amplitude of sound waves. So here is the amplitude of sound waves. For sound, the greater amplitude means larger disturbance in air, which is recognized by a louder sound. For example, if a drum is beaten hard, it will produce a loud sound with a large amplitude. However, if we beat the drum gently, it will produce a faint sound with a small amplitude. And next is the frequency of sound waves. So frequency of sound is the number of compressions or rarefactions produced in 1 second. The higher frequency, the more quickly air particles vibrate. A frequency of 1 Hz is equal to 1 compression or rarefaction in 1 second. Now coming towards the last long question of your exercise, that is, what are light waves? Describe their frequency and speed. Again in this question, you will have to answer two questions actually, that what are light waves and describe their frequency and speed. Light waves, they are electromagnetic waves that are visible to eye. Humans, they can see frequencies of light between 405 to 790 trillion hertz, and light waves, they travel through vacuum at the speed of about 300,000 km per second. This speed is faster than anything else, and light waves, they travels slightly slower in air, glass, water and any other transparent material, etc. So this was all about your chapter number 8.